Welcome to the Vitamins and Nutrients YouTube channel. Today we are discussing amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins, which are essential macromolecules in all living organisms. They contain an amino group, NH2, a carboxyl group, COOH, and a side chain specific to each amino acid. There are 20 different types of amino acids that can be combined to form a protein molecule. These amino acids are linked by peptide bonds, forming a chain that folds into a specific three-dimensional shape, determined by its sequence of amino acids. In addition to their role in protein synthesis, some amino acids can also serve as precursors for other molecules, such as neurotransmitters or metabolic intermediates. Some amino acids are considered essential, meaning that they cannot be synthesized by the body and must be obtained from the diet. Conversely, non-essential amino acids can be synthesized by the body from other molecules. Amino acids also play a crucial role in many physiological processes, including metabolism, hormone regulation, and immune function. They can also affect muscle growth and repair, and some have been shown to have specific benefits for athletic performance and recovery. Overall, amino acids are essential components of a healthy diet and play a vital role in maintaining the health and functioning of the human body. Each of the 20 standard amino acids has a unique function in the body, depending on its chemical structure and the role it plays in protein synthesis. Some of the key functions of these amino acids include alanine, used in glucose metabolism and muscle tissue repair; arginine, involved in immune function, hormone secretion, and wound healing; asparagine, important for the formation of nervous system tissue; aspartic acid, involved in energy metabolism; cysteine, helps form disulfide bonds in proteins and is a precursor to the antioxidant glutathione; glutamic acid, involved in neurotransmitter synthesis and energy metabolism; glutamine, important for immune function and the maintenance of intestinal lining; glycine, used in the synthesis of DNA, RNA, and various hormones; histidine, involved in the regulation of acid-base balance in the body; isoleucine, important for muscle growth and repair; leucine, important for muscle growth and repair; lysine, involved in the production of carnitine, which is important for energy metabolism, and collagen, which is important for skin and joint health. Methionine, acts as a donor of methyl groups and is important for liver detoxification. Phenylalanine, a precursor to the neurotransmitter dopamine and the hormone melanin. Proline, helps to maintain the stability of protein structure. Serine, involved in the synthesis of membranes and the regulation of muscle contraction. Threonine, important for the formation of connective tissues and the regulation of fat metabolism. Tryptophan, a precursor to the neurotransmitter serotonin and the hormone melatonin. Tyrosine, a precursor to the neurotransmitters dopamine, norepinephrine, and epinephrine. Valine, important for muscle growth and repair. These 20 amino acids can be combined in various sequences to form thousands of different proteins, each with a unique structure and function. It's important to note that the specific functions of these amino acids can vary depending on the context in which they are used and the other components with which they interact. Amino acids can be obtained from dietary sources, either through the consumption of complete proteins or through the combination of incomplete proteins. Complete proteins, which contain all of the essential amino acids in sufficient amounts, are found in animal-derived foods such as meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy products. Some plant-based complete proteins include soy and quinoa. Incomplete proteins, which lack one or more of the essential amino acids, are found in many plant-based foods, including legumes, grains, nuts, and seeds. To obtain all of the essential amino acids from a plant-based diet, it is important to eat a variety of incomplete proteins in combination. It's also worth noting that some foods are particularly rich in specific amino acids. For example, high lysine foods include red meat, poultry, fish, and dairy products. High tryptophan foods include turkey, cheese, eggs, and soy products. High leucine foods include dairy products, soy products, and red meat. Overall, a balanced and varied diet that includes a mix of animal and plant-based foods can help to ensure that you get adequate amounts of all of the essential amino acids. Amino acid deficiencies can cause a range of symptoms, depending on the specific amino acid involved and the severity of the deficiency. Some common symptoms of amino acid deficiencies include fatigue and weakness. A deficiency in certain amino acids, such as methionine and cysteine, can lead to decreased energy production and decreased physical performance. Poor immune function. A deficiency in amino acids such as arginine and glutamine can impair the function of the immune system. Skin, hair, and nail problems. A deficiency in the amino acid lysine can cause skin eruptions, hair loss, and brittle nails. Mood and cognitive problems. A deficiency in the amino acid tryptophan can lead to depression, anxiety, and poor memory. Muscle wasting and weakness. A deficiency in essential amino acids can lead to muscle wasting, decreased muscle mass, and decreased physical performance. Anemia. A deficiency in the amino acid methionine can lead to anemia due to a decrease in the production of S-adenosyl methionine, SAMe, which is important for the production of red blood cells. Growth problems. A deficiency in the essential amino acids can impede growth and development in children. It's important to note that amino acid deficiencies are relatively rare in developed countries, as a balanced diet typically provides adequate amounts of all the essential amino acids. However, certain populations, such as vegetarians and vegans, may be at increased risk of amino acid deficiencies and should take care to include a variety of protein sources in their diet. Amino acid toxicity is possible, although it is relatively rare. Consuming large amounts of individual amino acids, especially in supplement form, can lead to an imbalance in the levels of amino acids in the body, which can have negative effects on health. For example, high levels of the amino acid homocysteine can increase the risk of cardiovascular disease, while high levels of the amino acid tyrosine can increase the risk of high blood pressure and heart disease. Additionally, some amino acids, such as tryptophan, can produce toxic byproducts when consumed in large amounts. It's important to note that the safe levels of individual amino acids vary depending on age, weight, and other factors, and it is typically recommended to obtain amino acids from dietary sources rather than supplements. If you are considering taking an amino acid supplement, it is important to speak with a healthcare professional to determine the safe and appropriate amount for your individual needs. The symptoms of amino acid toxicity can vary depending on the specific amino acid involved and the severity of the toxicity. Some common symptoms of amino acid toxicity include nausea and vomiting. High levels of certain amino acids, such as tyrosine, can cause digestive upset. Headache. High levels of certain amino acids, such as aspartic acid, can cause headaches. Increased heart rate and blood pressure. High levels of certain amino acids, such as tyrosine, can increase heart rate and blood pressure. Muscle weakness and cramping. High levels of certain amino acids, such as homocysteine, can cause muscle weakness and cramping. Anxiety and agitation. High levels of certain amino acids, such as tyrosine, can cause anxiety and agitation. Insomnia. High levels of certain amino acids, such as tyrosine, can cause insomnia. Skin rashes and hives. High levels of certain amino acids, such as tyrosine, can cause skin rashes and hives. It's important to note that these symptoms can also occur as a result of other health conditions and may not necessarily be caused by amino acid toxicity. If you experience any of these symptoms after taking an amino acid supplement, it is important to stop taking the supplement and seek medical attention. If you think you have high or low levels of amino acids, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional for proper evaluation and treatment. It's important to remember that amino acid imbalances can be caused by a variety of factors, including dietary intake, genetics, and underlying health conditions, and the appropriate treatment will depend on the underlying cause. Additionally, self-diagnosis and self-treatment of amino acid imbalances can be dangerous and should be avoided. Consultation with a healthcare professional is always recommended for proper evaluation and treatment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos like this one.